We were out on a date in his daddy's car. We hadn't driven very far. There in the road, straight ahead, the car was stalled, the engine was dead. He couldn't stop, he swerved to the right. I'll never forget the song that night. The crying tires, the busted glass, that fateful scream that I heard last. Oh, where can my baby be? The world took him away from me. He's gone to heaven, so I've got to be good, so I can see my baby when I leave this world. When I woke up, the rain was pouring down. There were people standing all around. Something warm running in my eyes. Somehow I found my baby that night. I held